Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to add keyframes on Capcut mobile. So first of all, go ahead and open up your Capcut. And in my case, I'm going to just use a new project right here. So as you can see, after I click the new project, I'm going to choose the video that I want, and I'm going to choose a muted video so it won't it won't disturb you while I'm doing this. So I'm going to choose this video, for example, right? What I'm going to do, I'm going to just hit add at the lower right corner. Now, as you can see, you will see this is the video. Now, in order to add a keyframes, I will need to add a sticker, right? So I'm gonna hit text right here, and you're gonna see the second option right here in the tools. There's a sticker, so go ahead and click on it, and basically I'm gonna just maybe add mouse, right? Mouse click or something like that. I'm gonna just choose let me choose now that one, right? Mouse cursor, mouse, cursor or cursor. So as you can see, this is the one. I'm gonna just add this one, right? Okay, and we're gonna just hit the check mark right here. Now, in order to add the keyframes, I'm gonna just go ahead right here and click the sticker, right? And I'm gonna just add right here the keyframes. You're gonna see it before playing the video right here, okay? And I'm gonna just move along to the video, and I'm gonna just add right here keyframe, and I'm gonna just move it right here, right? And as you can see right here, the mouse cursor is moving, right? So I'm gonna just add a keyframe right here. I'm gonna be like this, right? And the same goes. Click the sticker, add the keyframe right here at the like diamond kind of a button, right? And just move it to whatever place that you actually want. So when we play the video, so you will see it like that. Right? So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.